Shahed 136, also known as Shahed 136, is an improved version of the Shahed 129 drone, which was developed by Iran's Aerospace Industries organization. The drone was first unveiled in 2015 and is essentially an unmanned aerial vehicle with a tailless design. The Shahed 136 drone is used to cover military areas and conduct reconnaissance and border control operations. Equipped with high-definition cameras and advanced electronic equipment, the drone enables surveillance of areas and various military missions. Additionally, the drone has the ability to fly at different altitudes and can reach speeds up to 250 km per hour. Moreover, the Shahed 136 drone has features such as full automation, GPS navigation, and the ability to communicate with control centers and data receiving centers. These capabilities have made it one of the most advanced drones in the region. The Shahed 136 drone has an aerodynamic design that makes it stealthy and difficult to detect by radar. It boasts a low radar cross-section, RCS, due to its shape, which reduces its visibility to enemy radar systems. The drone is capable of flying at high altitudes, up to 25,000 feet, and can stay aloft for up to 30 hours. The Shahed 136 drone is powered by a single turboprop engine, which provides the necessary thrust for flight. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,100 kilograms and can carry various payloads, including electro-optical and infrared cameras, signal intelligence equipment, and electronic warfare systems. One of the most notable features of the Shahed 136 drone is its ability to conduct autonomous operations. It can be programmed to fly along predetermined routes, follow specific targets, or respond to changing conditions on the ground. The drone's autonomous capabilities make it well-suited for both military and civilian applications, such as border surveillance, search and rescue, and disaster response. Overall, the Shahed 136 drone represents a significant advancement in Iranian drone technology, building on the successes of the previous Shahed models to create a highly capable and versatile platform.